Well, cutting vegetable is an art that makes a dish outstanding. This undoubtedly changes the dish, how it looks, how it appears, and how we present. These techniques are most commonly practiced when uniformity is essential. Hi there, my name is Amir Thapa and today you are watching Chef Life Vlog. In today's video, I'm going to show you 19 different types of cuts of vegetables and the use of knife skill in this video. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the 19 different kinds of vegetable cuttings. So without any delay, let's get started with the first cut. Fine Julienne. Hold the vegetable with firm grip, putting knife siding beside your knuckle so that you won't hurt yourself. First, slice thinly and stack up evenly, then cut vegetables finely as much as possible. There you have it, a fine Julienne cut vegetables. Fine Brunoise. When you have fine Julienne, it's pretty easy to cut fine Brunoise. Hence, you could just gather Julienne vegetables and press by your finger and push knife in inclined position. The size of this vegetable is 1.5 mm. Julienne. It is as similar as fine Julienne, just need to increase the width of vegetable cutting size and you'll get beautiful Julienne cuts of vegetables. Brunoise. Likewise, cut the vegetables into Julienne into Brunoise cut. Just as you cut fine Brunoise, the size of this vegetable is 3 mm. Medium batonnate. This cut is same as batonnate cut, but slightly bigger than the usual batonnate cut of fruits and vegetables. Macedon. Macedon is a small dice cut vegetables, just double size of Brunoise. The size of this vegetable is 1/4 inch cubes. Medium batonnate. This cut is same as batonnate cut, but slightly bigger than the usual batonnate cut of fruits and vegetables. Parmentier. Parmentier is also called as medium cubes, which is basically a large cubes of fruits and vegetables serving either hot or cold. The size of this vegetable is approximately 13 mm, which is half inch. Paysanne cut. It is a cut which are 1 mm thick, used usually for soups or trim in some flavorful preparation like minestrone. Diagonal cut. When fruits or vegetables are cut into 45° of angle, the shape it looks like a diagonal, which in fact is used to decrease the cooking time, also to ensure tenderness and attractiveness of the vegetables or fruits. Oblique cut. This cut is also called as roll-out cut. These cuts are often made either long, round, flat or triangle with a specific knife cut to create a pieces of food. Half moon cut. It is a shape similar to slice. For instance, take carrot, cut into middle lengthwise, then slice it keeping vegetables in inclined position. Quarter cut. This cut is as similar as half moon cut. So when you know how to cut half moon shaped vegetables, if you cut half of that as well, it results to a quarter shaped vegetables like in a video. Slice. It is a method where vegetables are cut into ring shape, sliding a knife thin or thick inside as per preparation method. Diamond cut. It is a kind of cutting technique where the pieces of vegetables are diamond in shape. This is done both for decorative purposes and to increase surface area to reduce cooking times. Ribbon cut. For this cut, we just need a good peeler. We need to peel as thinner as possible and can be used mostly in soups or salads and even as a garnishes sometimes. Tourner. It is a French term turned, which refers to a method of cutting and peeling vegetables into oblong 7-sided football-like shape. Vegetables like carrot, turnip, parsnip, or zucchini are used for this kind of cuts. Shred. It is a method of cutting vegetables into thin slices or pieces using sharp knife and sometimes grater or food processor that can be used easily for this kind of cuts. Mincing. Mincing actually a very easy process. Usually onion, garlic are done mincing. However, the other vegetables as well can be done mincing for various purposes. For example, bolognese sauce. Garlic. So finally guys, these are the 19 different types of vegetable cuttings. I hope you learned a lot today. Next video I'll be showing you how to keep your knife clean and sharp. So finally guys, these are the 19 different types of vegetable cuttings. So this video can be useful for the students like you, or a culinarians like you, chefs like you, or professional person who wants to learn different types of vegetable cuttings like you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I hope you find this video useful. So if you find this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also you can share it to your friends, family, or who are still studying in a hotel industry or culinary. Having said that, this is me Saif Amir signing off from my channel. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.